Good morning, children. Yesterday, I have said about the new craft in the city. The archaeologist, by seeing of the evidences in the place of the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, in the place of the Mahagar, he was explaining the earliest people also, the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro people also, they used the ornament. What type of ornaments they used, how they made it, they used the silver, gold, copper, bronze. All these materials they used the making of the weapons also they made, and different kinds of the ornaments also they have made. And in our textbook they have given with the stone also beautiful chains also they have prepared. And the men and women both they used to decorate themselves by using of the different kinds of the ornaments. Those days the silver and gold also they have used, and by using of the silver and gold and making of the different ornaments, along with that the place of the Mahagar. In the Mahagar, they have found in the piece of the cloth and terracotta cloth also they found. They used the cotton also. How they used the cotton? The archaeologists, when they were find out about the places of Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, the craft person, how they constructed houses very with the planned streets, and also drains they constructed, and also the rulers gave opportunity for the people to make the different kinds of the ornaments. Along with the ornaments, they used to wear the different kinds of the cloth also. Here you can see the actual pieces of the cloth were found attached to the lid of a silver vase, and some copper objects at Mohenjo-daro. In the place of the Mohenjo-daro, archaeologists find he was when the archaeologist found about the cloth, the pieces of the cloth they found. They used the some of the, here we can see lid of a silver vase. On that lid, they used the cloth. By tying of that, they have seen the cloth. They found that it is the piece of the cloth, and also the some copper objects in the place of the Mohenjo-daro. And also the archaeologists have also found spindle was made up of terracotta of feints, and they used the some of the instruments. How they used the instrument, then that is to use to spin the thread. Now the spinning of the thread we are using the charaka and all. Those days also they used the some of the spindle whorls, and made up of terracotta and feints, and this one they used, these were used to spin the thread. By using of the cotton, they used to spinning the thread. That threads they used to making of the cloth. And also the many of the things that were produced were probably the work of a specialist. Now we have seen that the ornaments are there, weapons are there, and different kinds of the cloth also they use it. All these ornaments and cloth, they used to give the training for the person's specialist, that to make the ornaments, to make the pots, to make the different kinds of the weapons. They used to give the training for the specialist, the person those who are producing and making of the cloth. And also the perhaps some women and men have been specialists. And here also the ornaments, weapons, cloth, and making of the pots, and they used to make the statues also. The making of the statues, they used to giving the training for the person who trained in the making of the things. They were the specialist. Not only the men, women also, they used to make different kinds of the different kinds of ornaments, and also the tools, and with using of the beads, different kinds of the chains also they made. And so they were the specialist. Men and women also, they were the specialist by making of the craft work in the city. The craft means by the work done by the hand. By hand they used to make the craft work, ornaments, weapons, cloth, and different kinds of the things they have made. And all these things made by the specialist of the men and women. Let us continue in the tomorrow's lesson and one more information. Thank you.